welcome to my very special Halloween episode, guys! Oh, it's Halloween. Almost. We're a day away. We're close enough. It's Halloween, which is, I think it's my favourite holiday. Anyways, so you guys are going to see me making this costume. Kind of got a bit of a spoiler here with the whole, Yeah, you guys are going to see me making this costume. I hope you enjoy seeing me make this costume. It was a very last minute idea. I had not thought about Halloween because, with COVID and everything that's going on right now, I was like, oh, nothing's happening for Halloween. And then I had to make a video and I was like, what should I make my video on? Oh, it's coming out the day before Halloween. I should really make a costume. Like, why have I not made a costume for myself yet? That's like my favourite thing to do. So I decided, you know what, I'm going to make a costume and I'm going to dress up as my dog. I love my dog. I love all three of my dogs. But I only really had the supplies to be Dexter, the black dog. So here I am, I'm Dexter. I am the Dexter dog. And yeah, it was really good fun. I really enjoyed making this last minute Halloween costume. Bit of a outfit swap with my dog. RCL Beauty, I challenge you to do an outfit swap with your dog. Because I think this is something you should do. It would be incredibly epic. And everyone, I think you should all outfit swap with your dogs. And if you guys need some ears and a tail, I can make those for you. Send me a picture of your dog and I can make their ears and tails. Everyone enjoy the video. I hope you like it and have a very, very scary Halloween. I'll see you at the end of the video, okay guys?
And we throw down the velvet dress and we will draw on the shape of the tail we want. And now we cut out said tail with the rotary cutter. Now that we have the tail cut out, we shall draw on the ears, the big floppy Dexter ears, and we shall cut them out too. Now we are required to sew both pieces of the ear right sides together so that we may turn them inside out once sewn like so. Once you have them turned in the right way, you will need to top stitch the whole way around the edge, closing up that hole we had left in the bottom. And now you can see me hand stitching a hairpin into the ear so we may fix it to our heads. And now we sew along the tail, also right sides together, and then turning it in the right way. Once we have turned it in the right way, we shall stuff it with some old cushion stuffing. This is a very boring task. It does take quite some time and effort. Now we cut out a little tab out of felt so that we may use it to attach the tail onto a belt. We pin the little tab in place and then we sew it down, which also closes up the tail. Now for the body of the costume, I am butchering a one-piece kind of suit thing that I had and forcing it onto my mannequin, which was quite difficult. Now, seeing as Dexter has a little white patch on his belly, I am mixing together some white acrylic paint and some fabric glue to allow it to stick to the fabric well. You may need to use a little bit more acrylic paint, but I did run out. Originally, you will go over with a sponge. Once you are done with the sponge, you will go into detail on the hairs with a paintbrush. This could take you some time. It took me a couple of hours. I have no idea where this voice is going, but it keeps changing. Now we are making a fringe for the Dexter dog. First you will get some wool and tie some more wool to it and then separate each strand and brush it out so it is very fluffy like my hair.
Oh, you just look gorgeous. Yeah, you do. No, turn your booty round, hey? Oh, not lie down. Oh. Yeah. Can you put your paws in? Paws in here? Do you? Okay, look. There we go. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Now, do you put that one in? Good boy. Yes. Oh my goodness. Oh, no, that didn't last long, did it? He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Woof. 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 What are you doing? This is my buddy. This is Molly. I'm Dexter. And this is Molly. Isn't that right? Yeah. So I'm a dog, pretty much. I'm a dog, I'm a dog, I'm a dog, I'm a dog. How diggity dog! Oh, all of my doggies. I got all of my doggies here. What are we doing? What are we doing? Cat walk, cat walk. No, it's a dog walk. It's a dog walk. Just a dog, you know. Woof. Thank you all so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this. I'd just like to say a very happy Halloween. No. Halloween's not meant to be happy. Have a very scary Halloween. And I don't think I'm ever going to stop dressing up. I'm going to be in my 90s dressing up. And to be honest, I think that's going to be even scarier because those wrinkles and, you know, whatever happens to my skin, I could dress up as an incredible zombie. So yeah, have a very scary Halloween. I hope you all enjoy your nights and have as much fun as you can. And thank you all so much for watching my video. Please give a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and share it with all of your friends. And if you have anything to say to me, you can comment or contact me on my Instagram at cookie dark crayon. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!